Hi everyone, my name is Kyle. I'm here with Makers Mercantile to talk with you about all the things in today's newsletter. It is Tuesday, August 23rd, 2022. So today I'm super excited to share with you that we have more of the Papillon shawl kits. This is a design by Marin Melchior, and these kits are put together using yarn from Earth Yarns. It's all dyed in Turkey, which is really wonderful, and I'm bringing you our sample up close so you can take a look at this gorgeous, gorgeous work. So this is two different hanks of Uneek Fingering paired with one hank of Harvest Fingering. It's beautiful. And this one happens to be the color combo, I'll tell you, is 𝗁𝗄𝗃𝗀𝗃 and oleaster. So oleaster is the light color, and this is what it looks like. Eek, hold on, I got things caught. Here we go. This is what oleaster looks like just in the hank, and here's 𝗁𝗄𝗃𝗀 in the hank. So the Harvest Fingering, which is this, is dyed using natural materials. So oleaster is the natural element that they use to create this really beautiful cream tone, and color 𝗁𝗄𝗃𝗀 is a multicolored self-striping color changing yarn, and that is what is going to make this really beautiful shawl. So we do have kits available in this colorway. Other colorways that exist, Seattle Seahawks fans, this one's for you. This is ecru and color 𝗁𝗄𝗃𝗀𝗃. So looks a lot like our Seahawks colorways. This will make a really great one. This is going to be cranberry and color 𝗁𝗄𝗃𝗀𝗃. So each one of these kits you're going to get two hanks of the multicolor and one of the this. This is 100% extra fine superwash merino, and are they both? I think they are both the same. Yes. This last one is 𝗁𝗄𝗃, and this color is 𝗁𝗄𝗃𝗀𝗁. So 𝗁𝗄𝗃 and 𝗁𝗄𝗃. Some of these combinations you'll be able to see on our website made up in samples, and some of them you'll just see the yarns themselves. So we hope that you'll take advantage of that. The kit is really awesome. It is a fun knit that has lots of short rows, so you get to become an expert at short rows. If you are unfamiliar with them, it's a good project to try that out and become accomplished with it. So that's the Papillon shawl. The second thing I'm going to show you is similar to it, but let's just say, what if you don't want to do so many short rows, but you want to do something that's really awesome and colorful and gorgeous? So check this out. So this is a Chevron shawl, and it is just two hanks of Uneek Fingering. So it's two hanks of the same colorway, and you cast on and work two rows with one color, or one hank of the yarn, and then work the other two rows with the other hank of the yarn, and it makes this striped wonder like this. This is colorway 𝗁𝗄𝗃1, which is right here. So this hank, this colorway, two of these hanks makes this gorgeous shawl. And if you purchase two of the hanks, we're going to print a copy of this pattern and include it in your order. You don't have to do anything special. We'll just print it and include it as well. We have lots of colors. I'm not going to go through all of them. There's a whole lot of different ones, but you'll be able to see those. I'll just show you a couple of them. Here's color 𝗁𝗄𝗃. And here is this blues and yellowish one, 𝗁𝗄𝗃. That's really pretty. Love it. Something a little more sort of earthy colored. This is color 𝗁𝗄𝗃. And one other thing that I want to talk to you about, or at least mention, is that every time we purchase one hank of the Uneek yarn, they plant a tree in Africa. So if you're going to buy two hanks of this yarn, they're going to plant two trees in Africa, which is really fantastic. I think that's a really fun bonus to not only getting a great yarn that is dyed by hand in Turkey, getting a fun project to get to work with. But we're also helping out the planet in our own little way. So that is the Uneek Fingering that is here. 2 hanks of it will make that shawl. The Papillon we talked about. So we're gonna move on over here. So this is the 𝗵𝗶𝗴𝘁𝗃𝗲𝗿 𝗁𝗃 by 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗃 bamboo click set. So it comes in this green case. It's a sort of a fabric-y case, and it is a lovely 𝗁𝗃𝗄. Here we go. It has some papers in here. Looks like Brigitte actually did the quality check on this one, and you're gonna see a series of needles from a size 4 to 11 in this set. It also comes with a connector right here, and on the other side of this pouch there's a zipper, and inside there you're gonna find your connector cords. Here are all the cords and things. You're gonna see the 𝗁𝗃𝗄𝗃 needle gauge. Fun reminder just for everyone as well, just to keep in mind, US sizes are always approximate in knitting needles. Millimeters are always accurate. So if we want to be completely accurate when measuring your knitting needles, measuring the millimeters is going to give you the size that you need. I believe also in here, yes, there is a little thing called the Addy Grip. So here's the Addy Grip. It's kind of like that rubberized jar opener, and that works really well to connect if you have any trouble linking your tips, your click tips to the cord. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So you take your little cord, here's the cord, and we put the you put the end of the needle tip in, insert the cord in there, and you'll, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a little tiny spring in there. So you find until it seats, you give it a push and a twist, and it's locked in place, and it's gonna stay there until you're ready to untwist it. And to untwist, you push and twist the other way, and it comes right out. So that is how this works. Knitting needles, circular needles, also, just as a reminder, are measured. So like if this was a 24-inch, it's not, but if it was a 24-inch, it would be measured from tip to tip. So this standard length needle, it would be the length of the 2 needles plus the cord and the connectors to equal that approximate size of the overall length of your needle. So check out the 𝗵𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗲𝗁 bamboo interchangeable sets. And now through Thursday, we have them on sale. So you can get them for 20% off, which is pretty awesome. Another little reminder I will give you is that any order, when you're placing orders with us, any order over $75, we're covering the cost of shipping. So you don't have to do anything extra. You just place your order as normal, choose the economy or standard checkout, shipping at checkout, and we cover the cost of that shipping for you. That is for the contiguous US, so that's the 48 states that are all touching each other. Sorry, Alaska and Hawaii and Puerto Rico, other territories and states outside of the contiguous US, we still ask for shipping to be paid because, of course, it does cost a little bit more to get things to you. The last thing, well, not the last, there's almost the last thing, but the last product I want to talk to you about is this. So this is called the Yarnkeeper bracelet. It is made locally, and it fits on your arm, and you can hold it like this, and this is how it works. So it has a little clasp, so you take that clasp off of there, and you take your yarn, like a ball of yarn, and put this piece through here. So the ball of yarn sits on here. Clip this little clip onto here, and then you can hang it onto your arm and knit or crochet or whatever, and the piece itself will spin and spin. The ball of yarn will spin as it unwinds the yarn. If you don't want to have it on your wrist, you can also attach it to, maybe there's a lamp, like a floor lamp or something next to you, and you want to put it up high to keep the yarn out of the way for little ones, little babies, or little dogs or kitties or whatever. So it is a pretty cool little thing. And we do have a few of these, so you can check that out if you are interested. Last thing I will mention, we have Maker's Night coming up. That is going to be Tuesday the 6th of September from 5 to 6, and we are going to get to hang out with Ellen Thomas. Ellen is the everything of the chili dog, and also the designer behind the Chasing Butterflies knit-along that begins with us in September. So if you'd like to hang out with us and talk with Ellen, find out a bit about that knit-along, we'd love to have you join us for that. And I think we covered it. Yes. So that is it for me for now. I hope you have a fantastic week. Make sure you do something creative for yourself. Reach out to friends and family. Let them know you're thinking of them. And we're going to see you again on Friday with some more adventures. So stay safe. Until then, we will talk to you later. All right. Bye.